This is a 1991 Chevy S10. I'm replacing the ignition switch for this guy here. So, first thing you gotta do is take this off. And then there's a screw there, a Phillips head there, and there you gotta remove, and then pull this off. The horn wire comes through there. And then there was this guy that was just down here. I used a couple Phillips and popped that off. And then there's a nut here. You gotta take this nut off. Alright, so unscrew this. I used a 13/16. Alright, so then get that off. And you can see in here, so yeah, that's where the horn went. And now to get the steering wheel off. There's also this screw here that needs to be removed. Alright, so I got the steering wheel off. I was able to just pull on it and just go back and forth, and then I got it to slide off. Make sure you get the nut off. And then there's this ring right here that I'm just using some pick tools to get that ring off here. And then that big hole will line back up with the green thing there. So I'm getting this ring off. So I popped this like little ring off, and then this plastic, remember it's got to go back on so it fits over that, and then pull that off. And now you can get in here and see what's going on. Alright, so then this green plastic piece comes off. Then there's the screw for your blinker, and then that Phillips, and then that Phillips you got to take off to get behind there. So there's this screw that goes in there that you got to lift this up, and then when you lift it up to put it back in, you got to put that in and then screw this down after. So there's another Phillips in here. So there's 3 Phillips, that one, and that one. And then there's the 4th one there that holds on the blinker. And take that out, and then just kind of note the alignment of this, and then pull this out. I'm going to need to use 2 hands, though. I don't want to lose that screw either. So then there's that bolt there. I think it's an 8mm that holds it on, that you got to remove to pull it out. Alright, so I unscrewed this 8mm right there that's holding this in, and it should just slide right out. Boom, pull her out. So there's a white, green, yellow, purple, brown, blue, light blue wires coming into the steering column. And this feed the wires back through and get this back in place. And then there's 3 first screws I'm going to put back down. I already got that 8mm back in there, holding that. Push that back on, screw down these 1, 2, 3.